And Arizona has the opportunity.
Governor Doug Ducey giving a much awaited update on how and when kids could be getting back in the classroom. The big takeaway, there are going to be options and schools will be starting on time, even it is with kids learning at home. Our Claudia Rupsich breaking down what parents need to know.
That August 17th start date that the governor had previously set for in-person learning is no longer at play. Today, the Departments of Health and Education announcing that they're working together and they're creating benchmarks that districts can use to decide if it's safe to reopen schools.
Arizona will be open for learning.
But how and when will be up to individual districts. Governing boards will work with county health officials to see if they meet criteria based on specific data points. It didn't specify what the criteria will be.
It likely will be a number of different benchmarks, including a decrease in the positivity.
They said schools will have those guidelines by August 7th. Also announced today, state requirements for schools. 180 days of instruction, online or in person this upcoming school year. Teacher-led distance learning must begin by the first day of the academic school year. And in order to get full funding, schools have to offer free on-site learning and provide services for students. Superintendent Hoffman saying at-risk students need a safe place to go during the day.
A district doesn't have to have that at every school. It could be one school per district that provides that on-site learning. It could also be through a community partner like the Boys and Girls Club.
Hoffman says different districts will have different start dates for in-person learning based on what's going on in specific community transmission.
There could be scenarios in the future where a school could open for in-person instruction, and then if there happens to be another outbreak in that area, they may need to close again.
When asked about a contingency plan, if there's an outbreak or there's COVID cases in a specific school community, Dr. Chris says they are working on one. Schools will have guidelines, but ultimately it's up to districts to decide whether to follow them. In Phoenix, I'm Claudia Rupsich, ABC 15 Arizona.